Hello Andy, and here we go with method 1. Okay, we're going to start with the base, so we'll select the line tool here, and now this length is going to be the diameter of the base, and this is the thickness, and that's the base of the bowl. Now to make the sides, the curved sides, we're going to choose the sweep arc, and we want to get a smooth transition between the horizontal and the curve we're going to use. We need to be above, somewhere above that line there, so we'll choose something like here. Now we'll click there, that's the center of the curve, so we go down to the line, catch the line and click and drag around to well, about there. Then we do another one starting there, click, and then connect to there, sweep round until we're at right angles to the end of the first one. So to close this off, we put a straight line in here, and then P for pull, and we should get a surface, and we select the shape we've made, and we're going to rotate it. So we select this rotation tool, select an axis. Now we've got a vertical line here at the end, so we can select that as the axis. We don't need to put a specific axis in, so we can just choose that, and then select the full pull, that's all there is to it. So that's the base diameter that we set with our rectangle, which you can set at any size you like. So that's one method, so we'll call that, rename, rounded wooden bowl number 1. Save.